He's recorded on the page of the Hollywood, desiring to lower her standard. They watched every move that she made. They longed to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I am glad I have learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name is on the book, for I want to be one, never fearing, on the face of my Savior to look. When he cometh descending from heaven, on the cloud that he rides in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wing of that great speckled bird. She is spreading her wings for a journey. She's going